2022 Jeep Compass. With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.